Hey everybody, this is Josh from Broken Ogre Farm. It's going to be really windy today, so I apologize in advance. What I'm working on today, real quick, is I know I have some videos on this. Can't see that well, I got my sunglasses on. So I built the shed. One of the problems with the way it's currently configured is it gets a little water up underneath the side. And what's causing that is the slab is here, and as water comes down, it'll puddle or run up underneath it, and then it takes a while to dry in there. What I've got is I got my angle grinder, and I'm going to cut a groove. I really don't care if it freezes and splits or cracks. It's not that important there since it's two separate structures. So I'll cut a groove. I might cut a double one and chisel it. I'll see in a sec, see what it looks like. See if I can keep y'all from hitting me in the head. Hopefully that didn't sound too bad. Anyway, so that's what we're going to be working on today. And again, apologize for the very loud sounds. No wind, it's pretty loud. I also probably have to mute this for this. And my sniffling. So just using an angle grinder. I have a masonry diamond bit. Ugh, it's so windy. All right, let me adjust the camera. It's so windy, my tripod is shaking. There you go. So, anyway, the good thing about the being so windy is the dust will go away from me. It's going that way, I'll be cutting this way. Of course there's no wind when I'm fighting with it. Anyway, I'm gonna see if I can chisel that. I'll be right back. That's not bad. Won't be great, but I can bring y'all over and show you a little bit closer up of that. So all I'm doing in this case, I can see right there, I'm just widening it up. Probably not necessary. I mean, it's not that much water, but I'd rather have a little closer to the shed, so I'm just tapping it along. Then I gotta scraper on out. There you go, a little groove. Anyway, I don't think you guys will want to watch me finish that up. You get the gist, easy enough. Hopefully that'll keep some of the water from running up underneath the wall. Give it somewhere to go off the sides. Like I said, don't care if it freezes. Anyway, that microphone's way in the way. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to y'all later.